It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this robot world. A neighborly day for a robot. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Let's go build a robot. Hi neighbor. It's exciting to see the robotics community and the FIRST community grow after being involved as a FIRST mentor for 22 years and AndyMark being involved for 15. Mark and I started in our garages, and now we have this wonderful facility with over 50 employees, all here to serve you. One thing that's been constant every year is we've strived to make continuous improvement in our products. This year, we want to show you wonderful improvements for our products to make you have a great experience inventing and developing your creations. Let's go visit our engineers. They can tell us more about these wonderful products.